What if one of the most advanced cars of the 1930s looked more like a futuristic aircraft than a traditional automobile? Imagine a vehicle so aerodynamically ahead of its time that it baffled engineers and confused buyers alike. The Rumpler RuV 31 wasn't just a car, it was a bold experiment in science, design, and imagination. Built by an aircraft engineer who believed cars should slice through the air like planes, this strange yet brilliant machine challenged everything people thought a car should be. So why did it fail, and why are we still talking about it today? The Rumpler RuV 31 was born from the visionary mind of Edmund Rumpler, an aviation pioneer who saw automobiles as inefficient, boxy machines fighting against the air. His philosophy was simple yet radical. Cars should be shaped by aerodynamics, not tradition. At a time when most vehicles were tall, angular, and heavy, the RuV 31 embraced smooth curves, a streamlined silhouette, and a teardrop-inspired form. Rumpler's goal wasn't just speed, it was efficiency, stability, and futuristic mobility. He wanted to reduce drag dramatically, allowing the car to glide rather than push through air. In many ways, the RuV 31 challenged the very identity of cars in the early 20th century. Underneath its unconventional body, the RuV 31 featured equally innovative engineering. The chassis design was tailored to support its aerodynamic form rather than forcing a traditional structure beneath it. Rumpler used lightweight construction principles influenced by aircraft design, emphasizing strength without unnecessary mass. Unlike many vehicles of the era that relied on rigid, ladder-type frames, the RuV 31 incorporated a more integrated structural approach. This helped maintain balance and rigidity while accommodating its unusual proportions. The engineering philosophy prioritized harmony between form and function. Every structural component served both aerodynamic and mechanical purposes, a concept still used in modern automotive engineering today. One of the most fascinating aspects of the RuV 31 was its rear engine layout, which was extremely rare at the time. By placing the engine at the back, Rumpler improved weight distribution and reduced drivetrain complexity. This configuration also allowed for a lower front profile, enhancing aerodynamics even further. The car's streamlined body minimized air resistance, making it significantly more efficient than its boxy contemporaries. Its suspension system was designed to provide stability at higher speeds, complementing its aerodynamic advantages. While modern cars take such principles for granted, in 1931 this approach was revolutionary, placing the RuV 31 decades ahead of mainstream automotive design trends. The Rumpler RuV 31 was powered by a relatively modest engine by today's standards, but its efficiency made it remarkable for its time. The aerodynamic body allowed it to achieve respectable speeds without requiring excessive power. This was a key part of Rumpler's philosophy: performance through efficiency rather than brute force. Over its lifetime, there were discussions and minor adjustments to improve reliability and usability, though large-scale upgrades were limited due to its experimental nature. Despite this, the vehicle demonstrated how intelligent design could compensate for limited horsepower. It proved that reducing drag could be just as important as increasing engine output, a lesson that would later shape automotive engineering for decades. Visually, the RuV 31 looked like it belonged in a science fiction film decades ahead of its time. Its rounded, flowing body resembled an aircraft fuselage, with smooth curves replacing sharp edges. The materials used were lightweight yet durable, reflecting Rumpler's aviation background. Inside, the cabin was surprisingly spacious due to the clever packaging of mechanical components. The interior layout focused on practicality and comfort, with seating arranged to maximize space efficiency. Large windows improved visibility and enhanced the futuristic feel. While it wasn't luxurious by modern standards, it represented a thoughtful balance between innovation and usability. Despite its groundbreaking design, the RuV 31 struggled in real-world adoption. It was never mass-produced on a significant scale, partly because its radical appearance didn't appeal to conservative buyers of the era. Additionally, the economic climate of the early 1930s made experimental vehicles a risky investment. Those who experienced the car, however, recognized its unique driving characteristics: smooth, stable, and efficient. It served more as a proof of concept than a commercial product, demonstrating what was possible when engineering and design worked together without compromise. In practical terms, it remained a niche innovation rather than a widespread solution. Over time, the Rumpler RuV 31 faded into obscurity, with only a few examples surviving. Fortunately, its historical importance was eventually recognized, and preserved models found their way into museums and collections. These surviving vehicles serve as a testament to Rumpler's visionary thinking. Restoration efforts have helped maintain the car's legacy, allowing modern audiences to appreciate its groundbreaking design. Today, the RuV 31 is often displayed as an early example of aerodynamic experimentation in automotive history. Its preservation ensures that this once overlooked innovation continues to inspire engineers, designers, and enthusiasts around the world. The Rumpler RuV, the 31st of May, not have been a commercial success, but its influence is undeniable. It anticipated design trends that would only become mainstream decades later: streamlined shapes, rear engine layouts, and efficiency-focused engineering. Modern vehicles, especially electric and high-efficiency cars, owe a conceptual debt to pioneers like Rumpler. His work demonstrated that aerodynamics could redefine automotive performance. The RuV 31 stands as a reminder that innovation often comes before its time, waiting for the world to catch up. In many ways, it wasn't just a car, it was a glimpse into the future. The Rumpler RuV 31 is proof that true innovation doesn't always succeed immediately, but it always leaves a mark. Decades before aerodynamics became a standard in car design, Rumpler dared to challenge convention and imagine something radically different. Today, his vision lives on in every streamlined vehicle we see on the road. If you enjoyed uncovering this hidden gem of automotive history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Because sometimes the cars that failed are the ones that changed everything.